Nice. Let's make it spin. Faster, faster. One more. That's a good one right there. All right, guys. So today we have something quite different, but I think if you've ever been into 1022s, you're gonna appreciate the ingenuity behind this. This is the Fletcher Rifle Works open top 1122. That's right, one better than a 1022. If you've ever cleaned a 1022, you know how annoying it is. To clean the inside of the action bolt and all that jazz, you're gonna have to take the stock off, take the trigger assembly off, then that buffer, man, that buffer pin back there is always stuck on mine, it seems. Take that out, and then we can finally wiggle our bolt out. Well, Fletcher Rifle Works knew that there's a better way. And so with the pull of one pin, we slide this top off of the receiver, and now we can access our bolt and our spring and everything just that easy. So for cleaning, man, I tell you, that's pretty cool. They put it in one nice package. Now, if you just want the receiver, because, you know, that's what it's for, you can put this receiver on your 1022, you can totally do that. But they did a really good job putting a nice package together. This whole 1122 package, it only weighs 4.5 pounds. Okay, without my suppressor on it. They took a Tactical Solution 16-inch fluted barrel. They've got the Magpul X22 Hunter stock. The BX22 trigger here, that's quite nice, 2.5 to 3 pounds. I have no complaints about it. And the Joker's just plenty accurate. Tell you what, let's talk about the accuracy. We will do that bullseye target down there, but we're going to set up a camera for it first. So this bullseye challenge target is one of our favorites at marksman camp. It's like threading the needle. You have to send the bullet through a 0.9-inch hole in the middle of the plate. When you do, you'll hit the plate, which is green on that we have painted right now. Anyway, let's see what we can do. We're just a hair under 25 yards. Nice. Oh, I nicked it. It didn't have as much power, but it did work. Nicked it. Now my hole's looking big because of lead splatter. There it is. Nice. Okay, so I say that's pretty accurate with the red dot if you're, you know, sending them through a 0.9-inch hole, because you got to deduct the value of a 22. So now we're talking, you know, a 0.7-inch groove. So I wanted to show you, of course, the breakdown of the 1122. What we did a second ago, though, and we'll insert the footage, is we shot it on high-speed camera without the top. It worked cool enough that you can see the internal parts of a 1022 work where you would never be able to see that before without the open top. So I just thought that was kind of neat. However, we slid the top off, and now we can take the bolt out. I got the charging handle and the bolt. That's it. That's all there is to it, and now we can clean it out. As you know, after several thousand rounds, especially with a suppressor, you're going to get a bunch of caked up stuff on your bolt face. It'll slow down your firing pin, all that. So that's all the maintenance that we always do to our bolt. You don't really have to do much inside your trigger guard, but then, of course, cleaning your face here and to clean your barrel. Okay, normally we just stick one of those string cleaners through, but now if you have a slightly flexible cleaning rod, you can go through the chamber end safely that way. Reassembly is just as easy, but what you may not realize, and I was talking with Ryan Kleckner, he was a military sniper and all that good stuff. He was talking about 1022s, and if you don't torque your stock bolts the same every time you disassemble it and put it back together, you can have a change in impact there. So after cleaning, if you don't don't check it, don't expect everything to be back in shape. So this also, you know, negates that issue. We don't have to take the stock off. And gosh, I like it. It's just so, so easy. It starts getting gunked up. You wipe it off, you put it back together. You need to oil it a little bit. Oh, you can reach all the surfaces real easy. Put a little bit of thin oil back there and back together again. So that is the 1122 open top by Fletcher Rifle Works. If you want to know more, go to Fletcher RW, as in Rifle Works, FletcherRW.com. You can check it out there. I think it's a cool build. I think it's a cool idea. And yeah, if we had a couple of these for a marksman camp, it'd make cleaning a lot easier as well. So thanks for coming by. Now, I'm just going to shut up and shoot. Nice. Cool. Go a little further. Gotta love it. Okay, I love you. Bye-bye. Did you see that? Come on, Nussie! Come on, Nussie! Yeah! I came in like a wrecking ball!